In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can right click on a laptop no matter what brand it is. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. With all notifications on, it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, once again, this works on pretty much any laptop regardless of the brand. But on most laptops running Windows, the touchpad has two different click zones at the bottom. The left side is going to act as the normal left click, and the right side acts as a normal right click. To right click, just press down in the bottom right corner of your touchpad, and the right click menu will actually pop up. So if I do that real quick, it'll do that just like so. This works on laptops like HP, Asus, Chromebooks, and most others. Now, if you're using a MacBook or really any modern laptop with a touchpad, you just have to press two fingers on the touchpad and just click or tap once. So if it's just a modern one, you can tap really anywhere on the trackpad. You just have to use two fingers and tap, and then that trigger will become a right click on macOS or many other Windows laptops as well. But those are the two main ways to right click on a laptop. No extra software, no settings changes, just quick and easy. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.